Hello everyone. So our today's program is very simple. Okay, we are using a partition, that is one thing, and also then we will check the extension of the file. So we have one variable str, and here you all can see path is given, but it is not just to open this file. No, it is just a path. Okay. So what we are doing is we are doing the partition on the basis of exercise one. That means this will be your second part, this will be your first part, and remaining after exercise 1 will be your third part. Okay, if you will print S2, you will get the answer in the three forms, or you can say that in a three parts. Then if you try to access S2 of 2, you will get your answer, that is dot doc. Why? Because obviously this will be your index number 0, then index number 1, and this will be your index number 2. Now we are saving only index number 2 part into one variable, which is file, so that from the -4 colon colons, that is nothing but this slicing, and we are extracting these things, and we are storing into variable ext. We are printing also just for our acknowledgement, for, or you can say that understanding purpose, that what exactly it will print. And at the end, obviously we are checking if it is extension dot doc, it will print application used word. Dot ppt, it will print application used PowerPoint, and for other things it will print application used what other. So we have first print statement over here, then second, then third, and out of this three any one. So total four print statement. So control S F5. Okay, so this is the first one. Okay, that is nothing but the partition things. Then dot doc will give you the what is there in S2, and S2 of 2 will give you this part. Okay, and then if condition will give you answer as application used what word. Thank you everyone.